Honeys, it's your girl Reshun. We're back with another video. Me and Lil Muppet are right now gonna head to the car wash. Usually I hand wash my car, so this will be the second time ever that my car's actually went through one of those automated ones. So yeah, we're gonna head and do that before it gets way too hot to vacuum out the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and then get us some lunch and then come back home. Maybe we might go to Ollie's. We don't know yet. Kind of caught up on some work of mine and had a meeting, so we're gonna go run our little errands. We really could just go walk around in Ollie's because I don't know what they have in there, but I've been wanting to go in there for a while, see if they have some journals or something for me. Or we might head into Five Below. We don't know. Five Below is closer instead of going all the way to Eastern Boulevard to Ollie's, so yeah. But we're gonna head out right now. We'll holler at y'all when we get to the car wash. All right, honeys. Ready? Go. Yeah. Say hi. What's your name? Your name is not Gigi. Anyways, y'all, we're headed to the car wash. I think I have enough car wipes and stuff, but just in case I might. No, I think I have enough spray and stuff, so I should be good to wipe down anything. Most of my stuff I keep in my trunk in a backpack, so it don't dry and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and head to the car wash and then get him some lunch. And then we might head over to Five Below because I need a new journal because I'm running out of. I don't have no more journals just for me to write in. I have notebooks, but barely. I'm running out of those too. So yeah, we're gonna head. We probably go to Five Below. He'll probably find something, you know, to play with in there. And so yeah, and I need to look for some stuff for his room anyways. I might go ahead and get that shelf I had been wanting to get. So yeah, because his bed will probably be put together tonight or tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna head to the car wash. See y'all in a minute, honeys. So y'all, Marcel has never been in a car wash, so he's watching. Hey, watch the back of that car for me, please. We're moving. Look. You see? Oh, look, soap. The soap. Whoa. It's okay. See, it's gone. Look at the lights. Look, the light. It's red. Red? Yeah. Y'all, Marcel's never been in a car wash. He don't like noise. It's not even that loud, Dad. Look, the water. It's spraying. So silly. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna vacuum. I don't know if I'm gonna leave y'all or not, but yeah, he's so scared. His behind was closing his ears. It wasn't even that loud. He's so dramatic.
He's so dramatic.
Why you talking mess, bro? So yeah, I'm finna get out and get this stuff out the trunk and vacuum. So it's either I might turn y'all on periodically and I might not, but we gonna see, because I got him in the back and that's a whole nother situation. So yeah, I gotta keep doing these in the trunk. I'm hot. It's okay. As y'all see, I'm sweating. Okay, it's hot outside, but I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the car. It's all right. Y'all see my little person. Here's a little mess back there. It's cleaned up. I have some extra notebooks in my trunk. But yeah, Black Cherry is clean, y'all. Clean, thank God. But she's been, you know, through it the past few months, because when I was working at a plant 10 hours a day, baby, all I wanted to do on the weekend was sleep. But we're finna get ready to go to 5 Below probably. So yeah. Something with my camera said. I'm sweating. I'm caramel at its finest. Dripping wet. What's wrong? You want it back? This is my sweat rag. He's so nasty. So yeah, y'all. We finna get this situated. And I'll holler at y'all when we get to our destination, because baby, it's hot, but it's supposed to rain. I wonder when it's gonna rain, but yeah. Honeys, I was rambling on and rambling on. We did not end up going to 5 Below. We did end up going to go get him some french fries because he was hungry. Y'all know he's a picky eater. I'm not going to keep repeating myself. The car was washed, thank God. Y'all see my face is red as hell. Baby, I don't get chocolate in the sun. I get red. There's a difference, okay? Caramel skin, you know, my little Krispy Kreme donut skin. I get hot, okay? that quickly changed later on when I got some air conditioning. Then I had a meeting that they want to do randomly, but anyway, it's not even here nor there. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Baby, this labor type stuff, I need a man. But guess what? I don't want one. So we just gonna do it how we do it by ourselves. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know every time that I post. And I will holler at you later. Bye, honeys.